How to send email marketing using Squarespace email campaigns. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to send email marketing using Squarespace email campaigns. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go ahead to the squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go to account dashboard. And then in this dashboard, you can choose the website you want to send email marketing from. And after that, as you can see, this is my dashboard. You can go to the left side of the screen and then go to email campaigns here. So this is where you can create and manage your email marketing. So email campaigns help you promote your products, launch promotions, send newsletters, collect subscribers, and even offer discounts to grow your audience. And email campaigns are not just for promotion and newsletters. You can also use them for form submission, thank you emails, welcome emails, and automations. These automated emails are triggered automatically when a user sign up, submit a form, or completes a purchase. So it's helping you to keep your audience engaged and connected to your website. So as you can see, there are different types of email campaign. You can choose promotion, newsletter, discounts, thank you emails, or welcome emails. Thank you and welcome emails are automated, meaning they are sent automatically based on a trigger. But promotion, newsletter, and discounts are manual, so you send them whenever you are ready. So for this video, let's say we're gonna choose promotion. So click on it. So this is the email editor. This is the template from Squarespace. You can edit everything here, you can edit the description, the heading of the campaigns. You can also change the image. You can change it. Also, you can change the type of the card, maybe a list, or also you can choose uh, a grid. It's up to you. Let's say I'm gonna choose a list like that. It's gonna be very cool. And then also you can choose the size. Can choose the medium, large, and small. Also, if you want to add a spacing or section color, it's up to you. You can also change the text color here. You can also choose quickly match your site. So let's say I'm gonna, try to do it. You can also insert logo here if you want. You can choose theme 2 or theme 3 and whatever you want. And then also you can choose the email background. You can also add a content background if you want. You can change it like this. It's up to you. And then you can choose the font. Maybe you want to this one, or add the other one. It's up to you. And then you can choose email here. You can add the subject for the campaign, maybe uh, promotion one. It's up to you. And then you have to set up unique recipients. You can click it and then you can choose the recipients, maybe new subscriber, or it's up to you actually. But let's say I'm gonna choose new subscribers and click back. And then for the sender details, you can add it, you can add sender. Then you can type your name, maybe, and then the email, and then just click next. And then you have to verify your email. So let's say you already set it up, and then you can just send it. You can send test and send it. So yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.